Hello ladies and gentlemen and welcome back. In today's video we'll start learning more about Tkinter and start learning about the specific widgets and how to use them. So the first one we will start with is labels, and it's the most simple one of all of them. All of them are simple actually, but this is the most simple one. And it's basically a widget that's designed for displaying a piece of information for the end user. Can display anything, messages, maybe phone number, tips, anything you want. So let's get started and build our label and attach it to the window so we can display it. So first of all we need to do is name it. I will name it label, and our label will be an object of label class. So now we created the label object. But we need to specify, because in Tkinter you can have many windows as you need. We need to specify now this label to which window it should be, so or belong. So it will belong to this specific window. And the other thing we need is to display some text. So we'll say that text equals to, maybe this is label. And the final thing we need to do is to tell Tkinter where to place this label. Now we told it belongs to this particular window now, but if we run it, let me show you very quickly here. We have a huge canvas here, so where it should draw this label doesn't know. We need to specify that for the interpreter to know where to exactly place this label. Now to do that, what we will do is say label dot back. Now we have our method, of course, to tell Tkinter where to place this label, but this is the most basic and simple of all, and it's called a geometry manager. If you are wondering what we call this placement thing, it's called geometry manager because basically we are managing the geometry of our application. You can think of it like that. And the back method, what it will do, it will place widgets one on top of the others. It will certainly make more sense once you see it. So we have our widget, and you can see our awesome app. We have, this is a label, so our label is here. And to show you what does the back method exactly does, we need another instance of this label, and let's call it label 2, and this is label 2. Run it again, and you can see now more clear than my words of course that this is label on top of the other. This is label 2, and basically we have achieved a geometry of our application. And the geometry here is that we are packing one widget over the other. We will talk more about geometry management later in this course in more depth, so don't worry about that. For now, all you need to know is that we can create widgets and how to place them on our screen or window. Now this is not all about labels. There are other things we can do. Other thing we can do is change the foreground and background color. Now the background is for the label and the foreground is for the text in the label. So foreground gonna be red and background gonna be black. Run it one more time, and you can see we have successfully achieved that. So basically that's it for me guys in this video. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next one.